Hey guys, it's Wednesday, February the 14th. Hope everybody's doing good and having a good trading week so far. I am, as always, this stuff is for education purposes only. Trade at your own risk and only trade with money that you can afford to lose, if any. Like I talked about yesterday, I expected this pound dollar to come down to this yearly pivot. I got in, hadn't made any money yet as it went down, but it did add to the position here, because I get in at about 10 pips before this line just to make sure that I got in, and I was willing to add to it if it would go down some, and it did, so I was able to add in and get a better price. And now hopefully it's going to turn around and head up from here. That's on the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar, I've already taken off half the position on it. Of course, bought it. I'd said that yesterday too. And I just moving my stop up, which is now up underneath here. And if this pushes higher, I'm gonna move it up under this big candle here. Pound CAD. Of course, I was able to get in this. Pound yen. I'm not in this. There is a sale that's going on. It's a no man's land, nowhere to go. So nothing to do on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand, I got stopped out yesterday on it, right in here last night. Actually got stopped in there, stopped out, so I'm out of that position. I should have got in the sale when it done this. I should have seen that, and I'd be in good shape on the sale right now, but for me there's nothing to do on there. Pound New Zealand, same thing. Should have got in on that. I wasn't in on it on the long anyway. I don't like being on both the Euro New Zealand and the Pound New Zealand because they both move the same direction. So it could be double the win or double the loss. I'd rather just get one. Don't need to be greedy. The sale did the same thing on the Euro New Zealand. You'd been in position right now. I'm not in that. Nothing to do. New Zealand yen is still in the sale. Is trying to regroup to the upside. I'm expecting it to move up into here, and that may happen tonight. Oh, what happened there? Went away somehow. Let me go back to that. The camera has gone away. Oh, let's see. I don't know how that other one came up. I had another one come up. So let's see. Where were we before? Oh, New Zealand yen. That's right. I expected it to move up to here. And a possible sell. That could happen tonight unless it moves down. Euro Aussie. That was the opportunity to sell right there. And we could get another push up into here. On the Euro Aussie, the Euro CAD, it's up where the sell was, and it's come back up to that. That would be a good place to get in, low risk trade right there. But I think that's going higher, if I ain't mistaken. Yes, or it looks like we're heading up to the yearly pivot right there. So that means it's going to take that out. So I'm not sure it would sell. It would be a low risk sell right here. That's for sure. I mean, you wouldn't be risking but about $10 on the sell, because if it takes that out, it's going up to the yearly pivot, which is up here. So there's no reason to hang around up there. I'll look for a sell up there on the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie is in a sell. There it was from yesterday. Of course, I was in it. Half a position is already off. I moved my stops all the way down here. And that could get stopped out because it looks like it's going to have a little turnaround on the pound Aussie. The CAD yen's in a sell. Right there was your sell opportunity on it. I got in just a little short position there. Some reason I only got half the position filled, so I've got to even cut that in half whenever I get the profit target, which is getting close right now. Yep, just a couple more pips down to about 96 and I'll be good. But it's at break even right now anyway, plus I got up $2 on it, so I can't lose anything. The euro yen is up where the sell opportunity is here. I'm going to get in it right now, actually. That's a good sell. Okay, so I'm in the euro yen short right there. That's my stop that high. I'm not going to stay around any longer. I'm also in the USD JPY short. And I'm willing to add to that position. The odd yen has got a 1 hour sell. That's looking pretty good. Where are we at up here? We got a ways to go. Yes, we got a ways to go before we get up there. So we're getting pretty close on it. Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Aussie yen, I think I may take that one too. The high, those arrows is 97.70 basically. We're at 62. Yes, I gotta take that. Okay. So that was a $10 risk, so I'm willing to take that. If it takes out that high, I'm out. That means it's probably going higher. But I will keep an eye on that. That's on the Aussie yen. And I think that was everything for today. So I had to ask, I don't know if it was a man or a woman, because they didn't have their name. They had like a handle. So I'm not sure how much I put stock in those. If they're scared to use a real name, that's kind of suspicious of that. But they had asked how come I don't post my entries or the ones that I'm out. And the easiest way to do that, I mean, if you watch the videos every day, you can even go back and look when I say that I'm getting in or I'm looking at it at a certain spot to get in. And there's sometimes I'm willing to add the position, like the pound dollar, if it goes down some, and if the setup starts again, to reduce my risk on it. So if you just come in here one time, that's what you're going to ask. If you follow me and you look at videos every day, then you're going to know pretty easy where I get in, where I get out at, because I tell you about the arrows. Those are the stops and stuff like that. So I can't make that much simpler than that. But this video is being recorded. It'll be posted in about 20 minutes. And we'll have another video tomorrow. Please hit the subscribe and like button if you like the education that I'm providing for you. I would appreciate that very much. So we'll see you all tomorrow.